my dear students. Good morning. Welcome to online maths class. My dear students, today we are going to start with term 2. Chapter 1, numbers. Okay, my dear students, we are going to start term 2. So before moving to the numbers lesson, so let's recap what are the things we learned, what are the things or basic for learning the lesson numbers. Yes, so the first one is odd and even numbers. My dear students, you all know that very well, odd and even numbers. So what to say about odd number means a number ends with digits 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, or else simply we can say it cannot be grouped equally in twos. It cannot be grouped equally in twos. At the same time, even number means all even numbers or ends with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So isn't it, my dear students? These are odd and even numbers. And the second one is factors. A factor is a number that divides the given number exactly. A factor is a number that divides the given number exactly. That means which gives a remainder 0. And every number has two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Every number has two factors, that means 1 and the number itself. Every factor of a given number is less than or equal to that number. A factor of a given number is less than or equal to the number. And the third one is multiples. Every multiple of a given number is greater than or equal to that number. An example, if we have taken multiples of 7, 14, 21, 28, that means a multiple of a number, it must be a same number, that means 7, or else it will be a greater number, 14, 21, 28, like that. And the last one point is multiples of numbers are endless. Yes, my dear students, shall we move to the topic numbers? So in numbers, today we are going to see about prime and composite numbers. What is called prime number and what is called composite number? A natural number greater than 1 having only two factors, namely 1 and the number itself, is called prime number. Shall we see an example? If we have taken a number 2. So what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. That means for 2, the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Isn't it? And if we have taken a number 5, for that also factors 1 and 5. And for 7 also 1 and 7. Likewise we can do. At the same time, a natural number having more than two factors. Is called composite numbers. For example, it can be divided by minimum 3 to maximum any number of table. Okay. So that means, for example, if I have chosen 15 is a composite number. How we can say? We can divide 15 by 1 or 15 by 15, even though 15 can be divided by 3 and 15 can be divided by 5 also, isn't it? So we can say the composite number of, if 15 is a composite number, means how to say? 1, 3, 5, these are the factors. That means more than 2 factors are occurred. So this number is a composite number. This number is a composite number. Okay, my dear students. Shall we see how to find prime number and composite number? Yeah, shall we see to that? Yeah, now we are going to see a table which is called sieve of eroseness. Sieve of eroseness. So that means first let me write a numbers 1 to 100. Let me write the numbers 1 to 100. So in this, 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite because it is a only number which can be divided by only one number. That means 1. And we are going to divide a number 1, divide by 1, and we'll be getting exactly the remainder is 0. We'll be getting the exactly remainder is 0. So this is called, we can say, neither or nor composite. Neither prime nor composite. Neither prime nor composite. And then next number is 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise we can write. So now up to 100 we can write it. So now how to find out the prime numbers from 1 to 100 means there will be 2 steps are followed. The first step is so first select the second table and we have to cross out the multiples of 2. Have to cross out the multiples of 2, and 2 alone we no need to circle it. Why? Because it has only 2 factor 1 and 2. It has only 2 factor 1 and 2. That means it will be coming in only in first table and the second table alone, because it won't be coming in another tables also. So same way we can do for third table, fourth table, fifth table, till the last digit 100 when it moves, you can complete it, my dear students. Okay, so now shall we check it? What are the numbers are prime numbers from 1 to 100? Shall we check it, my dears? Yeah, so first let's see the prime numbers from 1 to 50. First let me read that. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29, 31, 41, 43, 47 till 50, only that much. Okay, my dear students. And we can say in this the crossed out numbers are called composite numbers, and the colored numbers are prime numbers, which are prime numbers. So the total number of prime numbers up to 1 to 100 is totally only 25 prime numbers are there. Totally only 25 prime numbers are there. So the only prime number ends with 5 is, the only prime number ends with 5 is 5 only. Ends with 5 is 5 only. Yes, my dear students. The next one is expressing a number as a sum of prime numbers. Expressing a number as a sum of prime numbers. Yes, so we will see an example. Express 42 and 100 as sum of 2 consecutive prime numbers. Sum of 2 consecutive prime numbers. That means the numbers are 42 and 100. And the question is, as the sum of 2 consecutive primes they have been asked. So consecutive means, that means continuously. Consecutive means continuously. Continuously it will be coming. Okay, so now how to get 42 means we can check 2 plus 3 it won't be possible, and 3 plus 5 it's also not possible, 5 plus 7. So likewise whenever we can check it only with the help of prime numbers. So for 42 is equal to 19 plus 23. 19 plus 23. At the same way for 100, 47 plus 53. 47 plus 53, because we need to write with the consecutive numbers, that means continuous prime numbers. That means what? Continuous prime numbers. My dear students, you just check it out. After 47, what is the number is coming next prime number? It's exactly 53 only. So in between there is no prime numbers are there. Okay, my dear students, and now I am going to say about perfect number. I am going to say about perfect number. That means a number is a perfect number if the sum of its factors, other than the given number gives the same number. For example, if you have taken 6 and which is a perfect number, how I can say that is a perfect number? Since adding the factor of 6 we can give namely 1, 2, 3 like that. So which gives the given number, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. So that means a given number. Yes, once again let me repeat what is called a perfect number. A number is a perfect number if the sum of its factors other than the given number gives the same number. Now next I am going to tell you about twin primes. What is it? Twin primes. So a pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2 is called twin primes. For example, 5, 7 and 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the continuous odd numbers which we will be getting, isn't it? So now once again let me repeat. Twin prime means a pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Is called twin primes. So my dear students, today's session is completed. So kindly note down the homework in textbook page number 3. Try these. Hope you all understand the concepts of prime and composite number and perfect and what is it? Perfect number and twin primes. Okay, my dear